How to add a relationship to your profile information. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add relationship to your profile information on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down until you find profile information. Now all you need to do is scroll down again, the second before the last, which is add a relationship. Click on it. Now you have click on a relationship and start use. Now you can choose one of them and click on public for everyone to see it and click on save if you are done. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.